folks, in this video exclusive for Bitchute, Bit Slide, I'm grilling some steaks, fighting the elements of the possibility of rain, and right here we got some nice looking charcoals firing up on the cheap $20 Walmart barbecue grill. Expert grill. This is gonna be fun. All right, so I'm gonna dump these coals in right now. Put them all on one side only. Looking good. A little bit of corn stalk, corn husk in there. Let's put the grill on, the grate on. Get it cleaned off. And the rain has picked up. It's okay. And this is what we're working with. Get these put on. I think I'll just set these on top of here. It's hot. Still hot. I ain't worried about the lines or anything like that. Do want to get a nice sear. Which we will do. And I like it that way. Alright, I had to step away and look what happens, a flare up. Yeah, that's okay. A little darkness. Just getting a sear. Not much of a sear on the bottom there, but it's all gonna be good. So I'm gonna turn this one. And we're going to turn this one. Then I'll flip it over and do the cross pattern on this side. So now I'm going to turn back to the other side. Like that. Whew, that burned. Yeah, we got a little cross pattern going on there. So the rain's coming down a little bit better, a little harder. It's time to put the lid on. And we'll move these over here. And I'm going to slap some butter on these. Then it's time to put the lid on. I want these to cook to about 125. Perfect. Now you guys can all see here, it is raining. It is getting wet out here. But the steak is still cooked. Let's turn them over. Look at those. Oh my gosh. Turn it over. Get a little more butter on there. Thingy on there. Close it up. We'll let it sit a little bit, like I said, till 125. It is getting dark out here. Nice and quiet. Except for that person yelling in the background. Look at my camera. I got a plastic bag over it. Now, I really want Bitchute, Bitslide to work for me. Only problem I've had so far is it's not migrating from my YouTube channel to Bitchute. This video is made, like I said, exclusively for Bitchute. So the migration thing isn't a concern. I'll get the kinks worked out. I'm sure of that. So let's get another temperature reading here on the steaks. So, work on my brother. Come on. There we go. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, look at those. You see that in the light? Let's see where we're at. 122, 123, 24. Can we go for a 25? Oh yes. Let's see how we are here. This one is not cooking near as fast. So what I'm going to do is swap these out. Flip them over. Man, do those smell great. Okay. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes-ish. Not even that. Get that oven effect going. Alright. My wife wants hers a little bit kind of medium. I want mine rare. And this one's mine. Probably can't read it. Getting too dark here. Mine is done. So I'm going to take that in, wrap it up in some butter, in foil, and let it rest about 15-20 minutes. Look at that. So the rain has stopped. It's just getting dark, as you can tell. Let's check the little lady's steak. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How many times did I say that? It's about 130 degrees right now. I'm going to turn it around, give her a flip over. Nobody likes laying on the same side all night. It's a little bit more of a sear. Now, as many of you know, weather conditions never stop me from cooking outside. Cooking outside is fun. Last year I did a cooking video in the snow on the patio table, which was covered with snow, and I made use of that snow. It was like andouille sausages, grilled onions and peppers. It was a great meal. Yep, darkness sets in. Now the little lady said she wanted hers medium or almost well done. I'm not cooking that. It's about 135 and I'm taking it off. I don't care. Ooh, that baby's hot. And we're gonna take this off. Give it a little bit more heat. If she wants a little more heat on there. So be it. Looks good to me. Put this back on, who knows, maybe there's something else on there since I get good charcoals on there. Let's get it in the house. It was certainly worth it to be out here with the incoming darkness and a little bit of rain. I ate the steak, amazing, loved it. Little lady is over there holding her stomach. She ate it too fast, she said. She said she needs a rest. So, yeah, that summarizes that, and that's about it. So until next time, I'm Paulie. Never trust a skinny cook. I'll see you later.